This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Place chocks each side of the front wheel. Carefully prise the wheel trim cover from place. Using the special anti-theft wheel bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the road wheel bolts half a turn. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the sill flange and raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the sill flange. Fully unscrew the bolts and remove the road wheel. Locate the wheel over the hub. Then insert and lightly tighten the retaining bolts. Remove the axle stand, then lower the vehicle gently to the ground. Tighten the road wheel bolts to 110 Newton meters. Align the retaining clip cutout with the tyre valve and firmly press the wheel trim cover into place.